All right, so I got this one tangled up in the lines. I'll have to come back to that. And then this branch is laying across these lines. Anyhow. No snakes, no snakes. Snakes. All right, so we just got back from Nebraska. Well, we didn't even make it to Nebraska. We made it to the state line up to Manhattan, outside of Manhattan, and then came back to some gnarly winds. They were upwards of 60, 70 mile an hour winds, gusts. And now here at home, I've already heard a bunch of big branches hit the roof, so I'm sure tomorrow there's going to be, it's just going to look like a war zone out here. But this damn light is blinding me. I can tell. Holy shit, look at that. That whole tree just flexed like 45 degrees. Like a ship. Alright, now the trick is we need to get past all these trees dropping branches without getting hit. So, and then hopefully no snakes. There we go. Gotta wait for the wind to die down. Wait for the wind to die down. Look at that bad boy. Look at that thing. That would have freaking... Look at that. That's almost 8 feet long. That would have hit the freaking wires, come down. Oh, be a world of mess. Anyways, y'all have a good night.